Every morning felt like a war I kept losing. Not with the world, but with my own bed. I wasn't tired. I was numb, just dragging myself through another day I never really chose. Then one morning, I decided to do something different. Not some extreme challenge, not a viral hustle routine, not pretending to be superhuman. I built a morning rhythm that actually made me want to wake up. It flipped a switch inside me, from autopilot to fully alive. More clarity, more focus, way less doom scrolling. And if you steal even one part of this, your mornings can change too. Now I wake up before the world starts asking for pieces of me. The moment my eyes open, I pause and thank God that I get to see another day. Because not everyone gets that chance, and it's easy to forget how rare that gift really is. Most people reach for their phone before they even reach for their breath. If the first thing you touch in the morning is a screen, your mind already belongs to noise, comparison, and distraction. I used to wake up at 8 feeling late to my own life. Now I'm up earlier, not because it's trendy, but because it's quiet, peaceful, and honest. No ads chasing me, no drama pulling my attention, no endless opinions fighting for space in my head. Just stillness. That's where real clarity lives. Sometimes I wake my body up the hard way. Cold water, instant shock, zero comfort. It's not fun. It's not cute. But it reminds me that comfort lies, and growth usually feels uncomfortable first. That cold forces you to breathe through stress instead of hiding from it. It wakes your nervous system faster than caffeine ever could and trains your mind to stay calm when things get intense. Discomfort sharpens you. Comfort softens you. And I'd rather be sharp than sleepy. Then I give my mind space to realign. No Wi-Fi, no music, no scrolling. Just quiet thinking, prayer, reflection, or simply sitting with my own thoughts. The world is loud. Everyone's selling opinions, success formulas, and highlight reels. Silence is where your real voice shows up. That's where you remember what you actually believe, what kind of life you're building, and whether you're moving forward or just running away from things you avoid facing. When your mind gets quiet, your direction gets louder. I also write. Not emotional essays, not dramatic journaling, just clear intention. A few lines to remind myself what matters, what deserves my energy, and what could quietly sabotage my day if I'm careless. Direction saves energy. Wandering wastes it. When your mind has a target, distractions lose their grip. Movement is non-negotiable. A walk, a stretch, lifting something heavy. Anything that reminds your body it's alive and capable. Motion creates emotion. Blood flow changes mood. Confidence follows action. Once you've already done something hard early, the rest of the day feels lighter. Problems shrink. Excuses lose their voice. Even the small habits matter. Sometimes that means experimenting, trying strange things, doing what works instead of what looks cool online. Growth isn't always aesthetic. Sometimes it's simply effective. And the biggest boundary I protect is this. I don't scroll before I build myself first. I don't consume chaos before creating stability. I don't let strangers shape my mindset before I've shaped my own. When you control your mornings, you stop reacting to life and start leading it. You don't need a new app. You don't need perfect motivation. You need ownership of your time, your energy, and your attention. Try one small change tomorrow. Just one. If you feel even 1% more alive, more focused, more grounded, you're already winning. Drop 1% in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and send this to someone who's tired of waking up tired. See you in the next one.